How to make a group in Roblox on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can make a group in the Roblox app on mobile. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to create a group in the Roblox application on your mobile, what you have to do is, first of all, just go ahead and open the Roblox application. Once you launch the Roblox game or this app over here, what you simply want to do is you simply want to tap on the little three dot icon from the bottom right side of the screen. Once you tap on the three dot icon over here, you should be able to find all these options where you have to just tap on the option that says groups over here, as you can see. Once you tap on the groups option, now what you want to do is you can join a group to connect with people like you. So joining a group is absolutely free. You can join some of the groups, private or public, whatever else that you wish. But if you want to create a group, that is going to cost you a little bit of Robux points. So if I go and tap on the create group section from the top right hand side of the screen, now I can go ahead and then simply name my specific group over here. So I'll just go ahead and then select any of the names, and then you can also enter a description for your Roblox group, and then you can choose an emblem, which is of course a picture. So just go ahead and then select any of the pictures that you wish to upload to this, and then once you've uploaded your picture over here, what you need to do is you can select the settings such as manual approval, or anyone can join. If you're looking for a public server, you can select anyone can join. Then right over here you can see the green button which asks us to require and then provide 100 Robux points. So when I tap on it, it says would you like to create this group for 100 Robux points, and you just need to tap on the purchase option, and then once you've done that, you should be able to successfully go ahead and then actually create a group. In my case, I do not have enough Robux to create this group, but you need a Robux as well. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.